So I'm here on Whiteboard Chat, which is a great online whiteboard that enables you to share your whiteboard with the students and they all get their own. As we can see here, if I come down to grid view, I can see the other students in my class and their individual whiteboards. And whatever's on my whiteboard copies across to theirs. Whatever they write on theirs stays on their own. And you can just invite students by clicking invite and using the code or the link, however you want to. Okay. One of the things I really like about this is just down the left-hand side here, we've got the tools menu, and we've got the option here to include a student signal. We can choose thumb signals or a stoplight. So I'm going to choose a stoplight. We just add that in there, and that automatically appears on the students page. So now, as a student, I can be working, and if, like Gavin here, I'm not really sure and I'm a little bit stuck, I can click on the red icon on my stop signals, and as a teacher, if I'm viewing my grid view, I can immediately see that that student is struggling because they've turned it red. I can go in and help them. I can even go onto their own board for them, and then they might choose to say that they're picking things up a little bit better now. So it's a really good way of keeping track of how students are working when you're working online.